So I'm making y'all a short little video of what went down a couple days ago. I'm gonna post what happened when I tried to crank up the car a couple days ago. Didn't turn out too well, but it is what it is. So what I have to do to fix this, what I think the problem is, everybody been telling me, is I think I might have to fix the timer. As you can see, it hasn't started yet. So it's gonna be a little 2-3 minute video. So pretty much I connected everything, got the throttle body, had I hear everything connected, got the wires from the junkyard, coil packs, brand new spark plugs, fuel injectors, fuel rails, everything plugged out, power steering pump on, all this stuff was on. Turned it over and it was backfiring. And then when he did get it finally to catch, it ran really rough. It was shaking a lot, so I think it was shaking a lot, but when I touched the motor like this, I didn't feel no vibration, so we're gonna see. I have to check the timing, so I'm gonna put it at top dead center and look at the cam timing. See it, and yes, this is a bolt plug, okay? It's working, doing the job, not complaining, okay? So, everything's connected. It turned over, but it ran really rough. Sounded like it was just, didn't sound right. But when I touched the motor, it wasn't vibrating, so timing could be off. So I'm gonna check the time and hopefully it ain't nothing else. I'm making a video. What are you doing? But sorry for what? It's okay. So that's pretty much it. The only thing, the other piece I gotta get is intake and then the AC line. That's pretty much it. Everything else is pretty much done. And I gotta put the brake calipers back on. But besides that, everything else worked. It turned over. It catched, but it sounded really rough. So we're gonna see. Stop. So we're gonna see. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. This is a 2-3 minute video. Like I said, I add the videos of what happened the second time I tried to crank it up.
Daddy, car. Daddy, car. Daddy, car.
Let's see what I'm talking about.
Daddy, car. Daddy, car. Daddy, car.
I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.